in. Horses out, Chikatsu past the beginning, Danori inside, save this gold. Z Senor Danori inside and followed over by Darling Hers. Next in line, Blunt Ambition. Mamika comes next, Luna Rosa. And on the outside, Aliwalas, Manilas Gem. Then next in line, Grand Homer, Len Imperial Ballet. And Europa is the early trailer. And going along for the first turn, we have a safety's goal. This on the outside. Z Senor is running by around second. Chikatsu is down in third. 4 lengths a win for Darling Hers, Mamika. Bland Ambition, Aliwalas. Luna Rosa comes next. Len is down on the inside. Manilas Gem. Grand Homer, Europa second last. And Imperial Ballet now riding at the tail of the field. Z Senor now takes the lead. Then on the outside, second is Safety's Gold. Racing in third, Chikatsu. Then here comes Mamika. Bland Ambition, Len is down on the inside. With C Senor this time by about 6 lengths. And in second is Mamika. Len now moving up by the rail. And it's still C Senor by about 3 lengths, followed by Mamika. Len is down on the inside. C Senor, Mamika is on the outside. Len is running by the rail. But it's still C Senor. Mamika is on the outside. And finally it's C Senor, Mamika, Len. Then comes Luna Rosa.
Apat lang nabanggit ni Denden. 2319.